In this video, you will learn how to fix could not refresh feed error on Instagram. So let's start it. Open setting in your phone. Now click on the network and internet. Now tap on the mobile network and scroll down. Click on the access point names. Now click on the three dot and tap on the rest to default. Now go back, click on apps and notification. Now find your Instagram app. Click on the storage button. Now clear cache and clear data. If you follow this step, your problem will be solved. Subscribe our channel for more.